morning, everyone. Welcome to my bunkhouse. This is going to be a whole other series, but I just figured I'd show you what I'm going to do here. I need shelves on this wall for plates and cups and everything else. So I have a standard plumbing setup that I'm going to sand down a little bit and paint these, and then they get hung on the wall. The problem is I don't have studs all the way across and even spacing, so what I need to do is I'm going to cut a 1x6, about that wide, and paint it and mount these to the board and then the board to the wall. So that's going to be today's project. Pretty much just measuring them out, cutting boards, and doing a little spray painting. So yeah, away we go. Alright, got them all tightened up. Just threw them in the vise, cranked them down. Just going to hit them with a little steel wool, and then paint them up. Shouldn't take much. Just really want to rough up the surface a little and six. And now you can see that's what comes off of them. That's why I have to do this. Normally I'd say just throw them on the wall, but that ain't gonna fly. So, little brake cleaner on a rag, and just wipe them all up real good. Just a matter of throwing some spray paint on these. Just like when you're doing any spray painting. I got enamel, so it's going to be glossy. But any kind of spray painting or anything, don't want to spray it super heavy, super fast. What you want to do is a bunch of light little coats, which it actually says on the can, but nobody pays attention. So you can paint these up. And we wait. So it's been about, I don't know, 20 minutes. They're tacky. I'm going to spin them all and then give them another light coat. And once again, let them dry. I'll give these suckers one last coat here. You can go pretty heavy now that they got some good coverage on them. Make sure you get all your little spots. You want to be more careful about coverage, obviously, on this one. You don't want any dead spots or light spots or give those a couple hours of dry time and then probably flip them over, and there's liable to be some spots I missed. It's acceptable. Alright all, thanks for watching.